Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Kraken Exchange with KoinX. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So yeah, before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. So first, you will open your Kraken on desktop or on your mobile phone and then you will have to log in. You will then go to settings, which is the gear icon on the top right of your screen, and then you will click API. Then you will click generate new API key and name your API key, for example, KoinX integration or whatever you want. Then you will enable permissions required by KoinX. View funds, withdraw funds if KoinX requires this, and then trade for buying or selling via KoinX, and then you will click generate key and copy API key and private key. Keep them safe. So yeah, open your KoinX app or website, and then you will have to log in and go to your Exchange integrations under your account settings. Select Kraken and paste the API key and private key into the fields. Click connect, and then KoinX will verify. You should see your Kraken account and Kraken account balances sync. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a good day. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.